Hey everybody, this is Lubaka. In today's video I want to talk about some great finds that I have from BassPro liquidations. I know everybody's excited about all the unboxing, all the reaction videos. I'm not gonna be that unstable little prick who's about to shoot in their pants about every little find they have. I have over 15 years of experience on eBay, so I have over 20,000 transactions. About 99.9% of them are all related to fishing. So I've had my share of experiences with plenty of different lures and baits. What I'm going to show you is some really beautiful things that I found that have been of great value. So I hope you enjoy it. A lot of these finds are not directly related to fishing, but they're all carried by BassPro, and the value of them is what makes them so interesting. So I really hope you share this video with family, friends on social media, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and have fun fishing. Be really safe. Thank you. There's several pairs of shoes. I start feeling like a woman when I find deals like that. This first one, flats boots. The return for the reason they leak. Of course they leak. That's a wading shoe. There is no holes or anything like that. Worldwide Sportsman, which is a BassPro brand. Next one, Krokers. These are $160 boots, and I don't know how well you can see. I got them for 10. Not each, 10 for the pair. These are Merrells. These are definitely over $100. Excellent shoe, brand new. Again, a return. I paid $28 for the pair. Redhead. These are waterproof boots, outdoor boots that I paid $5 for. And these are wading boots. Another set of Redheads. These I used already. I couldn't wait. They have a little scrape on the side. Ooh! And these I paid $5 for. Great deal. Great deal. The fish cleaning tables like this one. Obviously this one has been outside. I left it because I used it. I paid $40 for this one. It's a BassPro carried one. What happens is you put the hose in the bottom. As you can see, it's brand new. You just have to rinse it off. You put the hose on the bottom, and then you can actually use this faucet to rinse things off. Here's a measure. Very convenient, folding, portable. I'm not sure why they return them. I'm guessing it's just they get it as a gift and they no longer want it. But to me, it's gonna be a good addition. And for $40 you can't go wrong. Probably my personal favorite. It's a Pelican Intruder 12-foot boat, and this one has been registered and returned. Now guess how much I paid for this one? I only paid $100. Of course, right now I'm using it as a swimming pool. The maximum capacity is 2 persons, or up to 335 pounds. And the only fault I saw in it is it has a one hole that has been filled, and there's another one that needs to be filled. It's right here. $100. Did very well on that one. It has a mount place for a trolling motor, mount for a kicker. There's a couple more great finds. This one is Berkley PowerBait. This is the black red flake, and these are the Chigger Cross. I got them for $1. I guess the pack was open, but they're in
very good shape, brand new. And yeah, they even stink like butt crack, so yeah, I think that's a pretty good buy. These are about a $6 pack, if I'm not mistaken. I got it for $1. This one, 60-inch tape, catch and release, yellow. I got it for $1. This one, on the one side it's in inches, 60 inches, on the other side it's in centimeters. And if I'm not mistaken, it actually has the automatic pull. Once you've left it at your fish's length, press the little button, it goes right back. So that's another one. And then I got this pretty decent knife jig. This one is in mackerel color with super high quality hooks. I paid only $1 for this one. This is for deep sea jig fishing, like for amberjack and tuna, wahoo. So another good deal. This is the kayak I got from them. It's a stand-up kayak. Brand name is Ascend, and the model number is FS12T. I love it. It's like nothing I've had before. I paid $300 for it. Less than that, I think it was $275. And on the website it's about $7. Very good deal too. Great find from BassPro. This is the Angler Classic by Bending Branches, and as you can see, this one is 230 centimeters. It retails for $149.99. And what did I pay for it? $25. The reason for it being defective, it says defective merchandise by Bending Branches. The retail price $149.99. Missing rubber stopper on the one end. Well, guess what? A rubber stopper like this, it's only about 50 cents at the second-hand store. So now I got the splash guard, whatever you want to call it. So I guess I spent $25.50 and I got something that cost $149.99. I think I did pretty good. The reason I like it is because it's very portable. It has the measure right on it, so when you catch a fish, you can actually, if you're using a GoPro or if you're out, definitely you're not going to have too much of a free hand. So this way you have the measuring in inches, on the other side you have it in centimeters. And what's revolutionary about this one, I guess, is this little gadget right here. This cut is made so that you can reach down and unsnag your lure. I think I did well on this one. $150 for 25. Yep, that's the dinghy that I got my million view carp on. But this has got to be my most prized find in the BassPro liquidations. $60 Prowler. This is a PRW T30 30D Prowler trolling motor. It comes with a mount, nothing missing, looks brand new. I'm guessing somebody just decided it's not the right fit for them. So it's a Prowler 30, and it's gonna go good on one of my little boats.
subscribe.